Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ridhidua. In case you're new here, welcome. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but we are in my bathroom. And that is so because today I am finally sharing my skincare routine with you all. This has to be the most requested video ever, and throughout the process of my skincare I am going to spill all of my secrets to have a beautiful skin. Now, I don't have the best skin. I do break out. Everyone breaks out. This is what works for me. These are the products that works for me. Some things that I'm going to share right now will really work for you. So watch this video till the end to know all of my secrets to a beautiful skin. So before getting right into it, please like this video. It helps me a lot. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, you guys, so as I am editing this video and as you guys have already seen that I'm not exactly looking at you guys and I'm looking somewhere else, and that is because it was my first time filming through the mirror, so camera was not exactly in front of me, so I was not very sure on which direction to see, and that is the reason why I look a little distracted. So please keep up with me. Okay, you guys, so I just came out of shower. Now I usually wash and scrub my face in shower, but since I'm filming this video today, I'm gonna do it right now with you guys. So let's get started with my face wash. I currently have two favorite cleansers, which are these. This is the 𝕗𝕣𝕚𝕚𝕟𝕕𝕚 Cleansing Cream, and this is for sensitive skin. I have a very dry sensitive skin type, and this cleanser was suggested to me by my dermatologist. This is the best. I will leave a link to this in the description bar down below. And my another favorite is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser, the water gel with hyaluronic acid. I speak about hyaluronic acid quite a bit. You are ultimately going to wash it off, so I don't think so that hyaluronic acid in this plays a major role, but basically this is just good for sensitive dry skin. So I'm going to use this today because I'm out of it. First, wash your hands and then start with your skincare. So I'm going to wet my skin up a bit, and now I'm going to go in with my cleanser. Since this is a cream cleanser, it does not foam very much, but it foams enough to actually clean your skin. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. And now I'm going to take my towel and just lightly soak up any water. Now you must have already heard that you're not supposed to rub your skin with a towel, but I actually do rub my lips with towel to get exfoliation and to get rid of dead skin and to have those plumpy, beautiful lips. And you can see the difference in my lips straight away. They are so much more plumpier and glossy and soft. Beautiful. And also, I like to rub my nose to get rid of blackheads. And now my nose is red. Now coming on to getting rid of dead skin from your face. I don't scrub every single day. I just scrub 3 times a week. You don't need to exfoliate more than that, or else it's gonna dry out your skin. Just scrubbing and exfoliation just reveals the inner glow, and exfoliation also helps your skincare to actually penetrate better into your skin. Now I am a firm believer in chemical exfoliants. Right now I am using the Wishful Glow Enzyme Scrub, but my favorite chemical exfoliant of all time is the Body Shop Vitamin C Chemical Peel. You get a lot more for a lot less. Right now I also do have the Body Shop Drops of Light Liquid Peel, but the Body Shop Vitamin C one is much better in my personal experience. And coming to physical exfoliants, I never really liked physical exfoliants for my face ever. I think that they are too harsh until unless I found this baby. This is actually my second tube of this. I love this so much, and the reason why I love it so much is that it's really fine. You can't even see the actual physical stuff in it, and there's a difference right away. This hand just feels so much more softer now. So the physical scrubs you use on damp, wet skin, but with chemical exfoliants you actually use them on dry skin. I'm gonna use this today just to show you guys how it actually works. Can you see those flakes coming out? That's all dry skin. Now, for example, if I am using a scrub on one particular day, I am not going to scrub with my towel because scrubbing that much will just irritate the heck out of my skin. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. Do not rub, just soak in the excess. Remember when COVID first hit, people were all over vitamin C, they still are. But last year I was taking vitamin C twice a day and you could see a drastic difference on my skin. My skin was so glowy. I've never seen my skin that good, like never. I so need to start taking vitamin C again. And also, very important, drink water, stay hydrated. I know that you always hear this, but everyone says it because it is so important. It flushes toxins out of your body. And if your body is good from inside, if your gut is good, your skin is good, okay? Which I eat a lot of junk, so I don't know if I have any rights to say that, but I do drink 3 to 4 liters water per day, and that really helps me flush out toxins from my body. If I am having any problems, any issues, anytime, my skin is going to show that. And also my skin shows a lot when I'm on periods. Nothing works when I'm on my periods. There are going to be pimples, no matter what. They're hormonal, you can't do anything about that, okay? I have 3 different toners right now to show you guys. So if my skin is like irritated, this is what I will use. This is the 𝕗𝕐𝕚𝕚 water. It is so soothing, and also the fragrance of it, it's like a aromatherapy. I like to travel with this actually, like the miniature size of this. It's just so calming in flights, in long hours, just like spray your face, and it's amazing if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, or if you don't have oily skin, you have dry skin, but you're experiencing some sort of breakouts, witch hazel. Make sure that it doesn't have alcohol in it. Now I have tried the famous witch hazel brand, which is it? The one that starts with T. That burnt my skin. I don't know what was it about it, but this is like my 3rd or 4th bottle. This is the Bliss of Earth Witch Hazel. But what I'm using right now is Earth Rhythm Alpha Glow Tonic with natural fruit acids. So basically this is an AHA like exfoliating toner. This is very mild, okay? This is not at all strong. I'm such a big fan of this. Like I got it recently. Usually the chemical like exfoliating toner irritates my skin because again I have dry skin, everything irritates my skin. This has a spray in it, but it's like really bad. So I don't spray it directly on my face. I just take 4 pounds of this in my palm, and this will literally just go all over my skin. If you really want to know that the skincare that you're using is good for your skin and is actually working, is to see if that particular product is absorbing into your skin. If you're using any sort of product and that is not actually absorbing into your skin and just like sitting on top of your skin is not accepting that. You are going to break out. It's just not good for your skin. So stop using it straight away. Now the moisturizer that I've been using recently is the Earth Rhythm Phytofuse Multivitamin Moisturizer. It has niacinamide, bioretinol, and vitamin E. Niacinamide is all the rage these days. It works with all skin types. Vitamin E, we know, is like so hydrating and so moisturizing. And retinol is great for the fine lines, okay? If I'm having a real bad day and real dry skin, this is what I will go with. This again was recommended to me by my dermatologist. So this is the Venetia Max Intensive Moisturizing Cream for dry and very dry skin. This is like a thick thick moisturizer, but it still absorbs into my skin, which I've never liked thick moisturizers, but this just works. So if you're suffering with very dry skin, it's your jam. And the another thing that I love to use if I'm having extremely irritated skin, it's itching, it's just not okay. This is what I would go with. This is the Marula Cold Press 100% Pure Oil. I have tried jojoba oil for my skin. I have tried argan oil for my skin. I have tried a lot of oils for my skin. But this is the best. This is going to moisturize your skin like nothing else. Again, for dry skin girls like me, Marula oil is going to save your skin. I love this stuff and I'm almost out of it and I'm sad. Today I am actually going to use this. This oil actually also works beautifully underneath your foundation and absorbs beautifully into my skin. So I actually do love to take some time to rub this into my skin and give myself a little massage, especially in mornings when my face is puffy. Massage really helps. And always massage upwards, you don't want to drag your skin down. Okay, so I also do have this facial roller. I keep it in my refrigerator and it's cold in the morning and it works, okay? So again, I just like to work my way upwards. I love to give massage to my temples because I do have sinuses and it's like always clogged around my eyes. My eyes are always so puffy. Can you see how my skin is just going red as I'm massaging? That's how sensitive my skin is. But that redness is not going to remain by any means. It will go down instantly. And also do bring your moisturizers down your neck and your chest. Now, if I'm being honest, I'm not very religious with my eye cream. I just take my moisturizer down my eyes as well. I know for some people that does not work. For me, it does. So I don't really feel the need to use an eye cream. But if I do, then this is the one that I am using recently. This is the Mother's Purse Plant Powered Under Eye Recovery Gel. And why I love to use it is because it's really lightweight, and again this also works nicely beneath my makeup as well. So I forgot to put my lip balm. This is the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil and it's like so hydrating, and you can see that I actually really use this. I love to put this even if I'm going out because as you can see that it gives me a little bit of tint as well. I just switch up my lip balms. I'm not particularly using this one every single day. Now something that we all should really use is sunscreen, even if you're just sitting at home, because even the lights can damage your skin. So the one I'm using is the 𝕗𝕚𝕚𝕚 SPF 50+. I did talk about this sunscreen in my sweat proof makeup tutorial. I love this one because this is silicone based, it's not sticky, it does not leave a white cast. Now, I just used one cleanser today because I did not have any makeup on. If I did, I would have double cleansed my skin for sure. Right now, I have the Colored Bar, my go-to partner, everyday cleanser, makeup remover, and also the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. I've also tried Clinique and also the Palmer's Cleansing Balm. And so far, the best has to be the Palmer's Cleansing Balm. About masking, I'm not very much into masking, honestly. I don't think so that masks really work, but I am into like home remedy masks. And my favorite mask is Manuka Honey. I will leave a link to the one that I use in the description bar down below in case you're interested. Manuka Honey is the best honey ever. It's antimicrobial, it helps with acne, it's antibacterial, it's all the antis that you need, okay? And also, keep it simple. You don't need to do the 10-step Korean skincare routine. There's no need. And one product that I think is such a game changer for my skin, probiotics. I take 2 of these every single day without a fail. Now I have tried the expensive probiotics as well, the one worth rupees 4,000. They just do not work. I don't know. This one is great and it works beautifully for me. Probiotics are basically good bacteria for your skin. And as I talked previously when I was talking about drinking water, your gut should be clean. If your gut is not clean, it's gonna show it outside. So you need to get rid of toxins, and probiotics work beautifully for that, okay? Never ever in my life can I stop taking probiotics. Never. It has helped me not just in like skincare aspects, but in so many aspects of my overall health. Okay, you all, so that was my skincare routine for you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also learned my secrets of probiotics, water and vitamin C. Try it and let me know if it works for you or not. And also let me know your skincare secrets in the comments down below, what works for your skin to keep it healthy and glowy. So like this video because it helps me a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye!